Hi, I'm Dr. Len Wolf at the Institute of Natural Health in Brentwood. I'm here to talk to you today about shockwave therapy. Shockwave therapy is a therapy that's actually been around for quite a while, 20 years or longer. Shockwave is a sonic wave that's produced in one of two ways. It can either be produced by an electrical charge, which is funneled through a lens and focused, and we call that focal shockwave, or it can be a mechanical sonic charge that's focused through a lens, and we call that radial shockwave. Both of them are very, very effective. They can treat a multitude of cases, and really there are specialty cases for either type of treatment. What happens inside the body is there's a process called cavitation. Cavitation is the formation of tiny bubbles, and those tiny bubbles can get into the areas where there's either calcification in a joint and actually dissolve it, or if we're talking about muscles, it can relieve spasm, it can relieve myofasciitis, which are tight muscle bundles within the muscle. It's absolutely, completely non-invasive. Any kind of patient can benefit from shockwave therapy, whether it's a musculoskeletal injury, long-standing or short-standing, can benefit. Anyone who's considering joint replacement, anyone who's on steroid injections should consider shockwave therapy. We typically don't do shockwave on a patient who has, say, a new fracture or a cancer patient. There's certain shockwave areas that we would not do for someone who's got a cardiac pacer. Aside from that, there's very few patients who would not benefit. This is not like getting a massage. This is definitely therapeutic. Focal is going to feel kind of like a hammer. You're going to feel when you actually hit the target with a focal shock wave. It's not brutally uncomfortable, but it is uncomfortable. And so we try to keep in a working range of around 3 to 4 on a pain scale. And occasionally we'll hit a 7 or an 8, but we can work around those areas and then come back to them as the body builds up a natural anesthesia to that target area. And there's absolutely no downtime. If you're interested in booking an appointment for shockwave, then call the Institute of Natural Health and we can book a same-day appointment.